శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవసంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం 4th స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshit Narendra. O Parikshit Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, in that assembly, after Nandisvara gave curse and then again Bhrigu Maharshi gave curse, Paramasiva heard both of their curses and felt sad about it, but he did not speak a single word, and he has taken all of his followers and left from that assembly. After that, Prajapatis, whatever the yajnam they were doing, Yatrejya Rushabho Harihi, they were doing that yajnam to worship Sakshat Devadeva Srihari Srimannarayana, and that yajnam continued for Satram Sahasra Parivatsaran, for 1000 years. And after the yajnam is done, they all went to Yatra Ganga Yamunaya Anvita. They all went to a place where Ganga Nadi joins Yamuna Nadi. And in that Sangama Kshetram, they all did Aplutya Avabrudham. They all did Avabrudha Snanam, which is supposed to be done after the yajnam is successfully completed. After that, all the Prajapatis went to their own places. Now, Daksha is a Prajapati, and here Shiva is one of the Trimurtis. Both of them related as father-in-law and son-in-law, but they did not speak to each other. The hatredness between them started increasing more and more. And after few years, Chaturmukha Brahma realized that Daksha is such an efficient Prajapati, so he made Daksha as the president of all Prajapatis. With that, Daksha became more egoistic. And after that, Daksha Prajapati did one Vajapeya Yajnam, and after that, he also did one Bruhaspati Savanam. He started that Bruhaspati Yajnam. Then what happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day Let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.